Dear Ghanaians, this is King Sama. Thank you very much for watching Peer Pressure series. Dan and Madam Fubisu was a better dino and then when you now know how to reach out, just pick up your phone, download the 1xBet app, register with the Peer Pressure promotion code Vision 2020 and get 200% bonus. This is very exciting. Join us on the 1xBet platform today and your life will never be the same. 1xBet, your Bama Ghana. Stake some bet and some cash. Now be feeling
Yeah, Vision Nation, baby.
Previously on Peer Pressure.
Michael.
Yes, sir.
You are in my class. But this your coconut is somewhere. What are you reading over there? Are you kidding me?
Hey, madam, why are you shouting on top of your voice like a barbarian? Listen, you can't really do this in New Jersey. Not anywhere in America could you do this. And come to think of it, you're just blowing your own trumpet.
And say, bro, I don't know why we be on this. Or better culture battles are against no one else battle and so then it was a usual to that. And no kick.
K in the building. It's first to the Kyekyeku.
Violin.
Yeah. Vision Nation. Say, Mobian Dada, morning, Brady, and one pair your crab one pair. Mobian my pressure, him caught on strong my best friend. School girl CP needs to buy open now for same day I'll be a lesbian. Fraud boys P no boy or back class hour depends no team seen to the bank. Morning break and Saturday about 240. Peer pressure, if you rose one can't see me never found the and I'm in my wood. It became Mujaku for the council, trying to 7 flags. I know any other. Sugar mama phone a date or no didn't come out what say yeah my papa.
Be any fear free to a be a tutu. Now for some no go take you anywhere to stay cool. Be any fear free to a be a tutu. Now for some no go take you anywhere to stay cool. And yes, a befo, peer pressure befo. A befo, peer pressure befo. A befo, peer pressure befo. A befo, peer pressure befo.
Peer pressure, peer pressure, peer pressure, peer pressure, peer pressure, pressure.
Be any fear free to a be a tutu. Now for some no go take you anywhere to stay cool. Be any fear free to a be a tutu. Now for some no go take you anywhere to stay cool. And yes, a befo, peer pressure befo. 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 Peer pressure. Peer pressure, peer pressure, peer pressure, peer pressure.
I feel so fly when I try that thing that make them say alright. I feel so fly in my mind. So would you help me sing alright?
Going all the way, yeah. I feel like I could jump up and touch the stars. Feeling so great, yeah. I feel like I could fly all the way to Mars.
I'm feeling so hey, okay, let me say, we sipping on something that you probably wanna taste, okay, in your face, we about to set the pace, just pop a bottle, we gon' take it to a better place.
I'm feeling alright.
With family and friends who love me and do all they can to make me smile.
I'm feeling alright.
So cool, so hip, with the swag, it makes me fly. I feel so fly when I try that thing that make them say alright. I feel so fly in my mind. So would you help me sing alright?
Going all the
Hey, Charlie, my guy, and the class on our rap now, no thing. Hey, where not here? I know a thing. I'm seeing teacher, me say, Manyanchisa. Charlie. Hey.
My boy, you do rap like me, Charlie. I encourage you to do more. Charlie, you go far.
Thanks so much, guys. Charlie, Mama, me craft. Me in America. Charlie, me started rapping there. JHS time, ton. JHS. Now me be street battles, street raps. Now me kill
me.
No man, me here, Charlie.
But I do not have fun on. Jim Papa. You hear say, no be you mo. What you say? Na moment you come here. Baba ya de kesi ama mo dachi. As say the amount will be do my bomba yesterday of him. What you say? Baby, we mo don't know.
Charlie making me Nash. I just like the way she sing and rap. Oh, Charlie.
Fully size. And you far away to go.
Very.
Hey. Now you can come around it.
Charlie.
Now I've been also
Charlie me the article one no. Boy Charlie. No tell me the joke. But Charlie, I did be na chie imagine so. Mami. Sammy. Charlie, enyum ne de odi ne e ka die ne hu. But Charlie me throw music lines pan to a me be film no. We na watam na wa hye no.
O ma no.
No hye music lines na o say on support me. Oh, Charlie on boa me.
Charlie, see, me there, my mother they support my music.
Wow.
But the problem is my dad, Charlie. That man is very difficult. He's not interested in my music.
Reality. You know, my fan here. On say abrabasha CDano. I am editing. But on talk of anyone, my quiet, you can talk to you, and I won't go to talk. I just say, I'm forced on. Future, and do baby, I'm old doing. Oh, man, the name will never supported my own. What I say, today, still them, ever fat. What I say, Allah, it's stretching, massa. Oh, come on, and
I want you to pray and commit the school unto the hands of the Lord.
Hey. What are you guys doing here? Can't you talk? Sably, I'm for said them we see at the be bomb pie. More better, I'm from books no marking come over tonight. Then I'm going. Who get out to way? Bawa born who tear will say, what's to say? What tear will say? Mother said, I was here. Mother said, I am well. Hey, what kind of person call? Hey, then what's I doing? Come on, to a tear. To some time you phone. I'm a plan on a mobile phone. I'm a mobile phone. I won't be so.
Away Salewa! Away Salewa! The great Mahubala! The great Mahubala! The great Mahubala!
Hits beats the young producer.
Boy, I dey go for entertainment today.
Charlie, make you sport that.
You know be easy thing, no.
I dey trust you.
I don't say you people go fit give me the back end.
See that thing?
Yeah.
That's for back.
A bit to be a case.
We're gonna do that for you.
Mom say, "Mommy, I mean, my lines be one. I mean,
Let's go.
Don't go. High spirit, high. Oh, na makunya na mate, na me pese me fadi ne beka mo se kakape. Ngoro mo che na me na me fata ahinche. Na mo se me ketene ne me te kasa hadi te.
For you to take it easy, yeah. Take it easy.
Try this so nice. Oh my gosh.
Princess, won't you give me some? Okay.
Hey!
Please give me some.
Look at it.
Mama Tommy, Mama Sammy, Mama took wine now, Mama son, yeah. Mama come and even more came his son, yeah. I mean, I do man, him a timber to my home to multimate question on the mobile.
So nice. Hey, it's only Americans that eat this, okay? Ghana from Africa. Just like that.
Hey, what is taking the name? Oh.
Hey, it's pizza. Can't you see what I'm eating? Yes, what?
Pizza man.
Yes, exactly.
Pizza man.
So
I heard it's so nice. Oh, let me taste some. More a bit. Oh, please, I beg.
Just wrap on them, start tea up, move to. Tell I need a fine you and run a hips. Yes, slim, but me tea, I may marry you. Remo, tea, more. Yeah, come down. Yes, cool.
How about you know he's dating tutors?
Hey,
without
excuse yourself,
anything.
please. Not insult me.
I'm even tired of eating this. Oh my god. It's only Americans that eat this. You really have to eat spicy. You know, spicy. You know spicy?
What's spicy?
Give us Spanish. Shut up over there! Look at that from one girl talking. I'm talking to you talking. Look at that. I said you only have to eat spicy.
Spicy.
Okay. You know I'm not from Ghana or Africa, so you know that Americans we not together deal with those words.
Guys, there is something about this guy. There's something about this guy that I don't even understand. She said he's odd among all the students.
And then you have to eat moiter. No, what is right? How do you say? A mole, yeah. A more. And married a bank coin. A more and a bank coin.
A more.
And a bank coin.
Bank coin.
Bank coin. A bank coin. I'll give you all. But I'm not going to give you.
He doesn't relate with us. He doesn't socialize. Although we are in the same class with him. It seems that make a person.
That'll be individual difference. Like the bother you. You see this guy in a way he come from money. You see say the mango or relate plus any
oh no, I put that one there.
I know so try to bother you. Like make it strong and make us focus on the rap boy.
Fair boy. Hey. Adia akwane kekane de we osi ya ne niama ya the same person on pedale one osia de and so ne difference o book kitwe bi ibu oso akese bi na kire huhu emi ekura no one de challenge you know the buy what's that you know
Can you get me water? Right now. Hey! How dare you talk to me like that? Anyway, you don't mind me. You just want to entertain me because of what I'm eating. But I will not mind you.
Hey, Sheila.
Sheila! Hey, put it down.
But the guy know the way now we see him classroom is game. Be careful.
You know that room.
Hey, the committee company is a lady. He has some kids
always been on
Hey, bring it out. You be stealing pizza and you not buy yours. Leave me alone. I don't even want to play with you.
Sure, make you do some license. Damakuma so. Hey, we say me china me run it on so. Mama na won say me no me na me da so. Na team pa my to say sirmi akwada.
The beer could have the answer one time on many people. What better than what we are doing? We don't want to use your man to buy anything. We don't be a soft and I'll not give you master. Sit down. Maybe sit down, I'll not give you until you are until I'm down. You are until I'm satisfied. Master, go and sit down.
You're almost done.
I'm not giving her until you are certified. Yeah. Hey. I was afraid of so many things because still will be by the end of the month. You this boy, you are not serious at all. Form 1, every form 2 can certify. You have to change your mind though. Hey. And you know I can take this thing from you. You have to form number 4 I can take it from you. I have to form number 5 I can take it. But you know me. Sit down. Come close. You are not normal, not mine.
Hi guys, it's your girl Facho. Do you know you can get money while watching the Pressure series? Take your phone now, download 1xBet app and register with the promo code Vision2020 and get 200% bonus on your first deposit. Get yours now and enjoy. Thank you.
Money, day. You be talking money, bringing money, be my music. We the hustling. Ah, boy. I told you. I can't say one lie. We are soon on the forecasting. You say, who will not summa maintain and kill me any day. And you see me for about confidence any day. I just said, Yekata, now Yakata. Boy, we are good tower. Boy, I told you that this guy is holding some motherfuckers brains.
Come to think of it,
stingy
have you seen how the Form 3 guys and the way they are living heavy life on campus? Their sneakers, their dresses, their haircuts.
Which guys are you talking about? Are you talking about that of Rude Boy and
High Spirit?
High Spirit boys?
Yes.
And this what? Oh, I know them. Kyekyeku of all fellas.
I
mean, the most secret say, Kyekyeku of all fellas. Rude Boy no. What you mean say Kyekyeku mpacho? Kyekyeku. Any secret of all fellas. Because me reveal the secret back okana. What you tell us me do 1 hour we debate. Go deep. You be permanent sample.
Let you cross up brings when you know. No, dear, you might Jimmy is on. And they can always shaggy by Mamma Chro. Yeah, no, me, Makozi, and I lose you. Boy, some control in Abano, control, a year, records upon records. Even future records copy a breaking. Hey, boy, you too much.
Boy, your friends say you need to really to be a cash pocket now. What's your family?
I don't know. Who says a casa? I've been no. I keep on the big games when I got or those who want to be on more one so or double one.
I feel them no. Their sneakers very okay to the board ding. At the end, do you make your uniform not to soon haircuts, jelly no.
Tell me, I see, good boy no. He dey chop you, or you?
Ha!
Me hair.
Me don't cook one son. If I'm some people where we are school now.
Because me I heard that.
It's not true.
It's true.
Hey!
He dey chop you.
Me be see at school house. From 3 ni benefit marry me. Ah! What are you trying to say?
We are sitting here, me and my brother.
Master, change the topic.
Every day we sit you here. It's very, very nice. Come on. They take us for our TV. I asked it.
I'm learning.
Boy, yes, and me believe you. Yes, me. What's it? Pressure. What's it? What's it? What's it? Yes, tourism. You be say tourism. You say you are Santai. Yes, Antoa. You look in Louis. You hear you cook KG. You hear you railway see. You hear your tears missing him. Up your kudabe. Me about your present. Sir, I just mine. You hear me? What you take sec? Yo, sir.
But then you shit.
Oh, no,
But we brutal what it.
Seriously,
Nasa Michael, the friend Michael as a man. You know when Papa dear Papa, why you know when you need.
I'm back as all.
That might get some fellas for him.
Seriously.
When you read about school, must say class 1, about 2001 more. And you have been in this school till now. It's new school.
Yes, so good for
you. Do class 2. You repeat and you're born fast because you don't know who you need. And that's why I want to try.
I want to know, yeah. Oh, family. Oh,
I don't know. Yes, you really now. Almost a man, though, I love about the Yafan. Also, I'm sure
the Kenya means now. Mate Alonso, so be a superstar. The superstar say 20%, at least 50%. Boy, to be honest, Alonso,
that's a high spirit from my to think after. I'm to think after. Rude boy, no, so I'm not minimum singing now, minimum singing.
This boy, you got problems for us.
Yes, oh, my query was school happen.
Nippon pen, speak the right way. They don't like.
One thing. Hey, as someone on here can come on here, this in section said, you could do say, you only a kind, you know, I can compare made immediate 2K back on 1 month. I said, 2K back on 1 month. I established of what I said. Rude boy, confirm, Naba. Confirm, Naba, confirm, Naba,
Sir, Mike, and I think of excited or Basso of excited back to buy and add it to no man for and not pay the uniform to be sent with them.
He's fucking weird.
You can tell me on mobile too. Back in the side of it.
My son's class tattoo.
Almost I said,
but that's on the video. How should you do them? How should they do them? Make it tell me.
Hymn number 444.
Now the day is over. Nothing glory.
I'll show you after that. Now, I know some of them village.
How are you doing? Family.
Now the day is over.
Talk about romantic. Press.
Harry, Charlie, the way things are going before you get something, give me yes, what's I'm cracking into me finding half a man could Charlie, the hunger, come to me fucking, I now pick a crammy over there, and to me, this is Sunday Munkaka. So, I would hear Scout Finia, the other was the I found boy. It's my own man, me a found boy in the night, Henry.
Scout your bro, your parents. Like my parents, them poor past your parents.
Hey.
Oh.
Ooh, parents. Me obezo chance say, mama and I said you papa. Omudi here chance say me di here no.
Yeah, bro.
Ha woni me oka. Woni me oka.
Yeah, no, I'm praying my
ah, intimi bi so. Kwan be pa na for so nyiska. Because what a ball crying what kitwo.
Boy, for that one day. Do you want to know?
Of course I want to know.
For real?
Of course.
Next on Peer Pressure.
Now, I want you to get this into your fucking head. I am not like those girls who wants to move around with you and your fucking guys over there. Do you really get that? Hey, and bear this in mind. I'm not from a poor home. DJ Series is my little sister. You know that? You're below belt. You know my class. I don't date poor boys like you. So why are you destroying the temple of Jesus Christ? Yesterday, I saw everything you did during the prayer.
Hey! Hail Mary, Mother of Jesus. Pray for us sinners, now in a our Father. No, you saw them and so what?
It's not my fault, Mimi. My mind did for you. My heart beats for you. Mimi, anytime I see you or look at you, I don't know. I'm always confused. Mimi, please, allow me to be your boyfriend.
K in the building. It's first to the Kyekyeku.
Violin.
Yeah. Visionation. Say, Mobian Dada, morning, Bradian, and one pay your crab one pair. Mobian more pressure, Pim Cock was from my best friend. Schoolgirl CP needs to buy open now for same day I'll be a lesbian. Fraud boys P no boy or back class hour depends no team seen to the bank. Morning break and Satanya about you 240. Peer pressure, if the rose one can't see me never found yeah and I'm in my wood. It became Moja good for the council, trying to 7 flags I know the other. Sugar mama phone a day to a new thing come out what sure say yeah my pap.
Be any fear free to ye be a tutu. Now for some no go take you anywhere to stay cool. Be any fear free to ye be a tutu. Now for some no go take you anywhere to stay cool. And yes, a befo, peer pressure befo. A befo, peer pressure befo. A befo, peer pressure befo. A befo, peer pressure befo.
Peer pressure, peer pressure, peer pressure, peer pressure, peer pressure, peer pressure.
Be any fear free to ye be a tutu. Now for some no go take you anywhere to stay cool. Be any fear free to ye be a tutu. Now for some no go take you anywhere to stay cool. And yes, a befo, peer pressure befo.